Hello guys and welcome back to Heloanfa. So today I'm going to show you how to use magnifier on your iPhone. So these features turn your iPhone into a digital magnifying glass, which is great for reading small text, labels or anything that's hard to see. So let me show you how to turn it on and use it. Okay, first you scroll down from control center. From here you hold here until it open like this, and then add a control. Click here, add a control, and search controls magnifier. Okay, so click on magnifier and it will give the shortcut here. Okay, after that just click anywhere from here and then click magnifier, so it will open a camera like this. And then let's compare with camera apps. Zoom in, so that's the maximum that I can zoom. Okay, and then let's compare with magnifier. Okay guys, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe these channels, and see you in the next video.